Let's solve these equations. For number 1, the first step is apply the distributive property. 4 plus 3x is equal to 4 times 2x, that is 8x, then 4 times 6, that is positive 24. And then transpose all the terms with variables to the left and the constant to the right. That will be 3x. Then if we transpose, we change the sign. This is positive 8x, that will become negative 8x is equal to 24. Positive 4 will become negative 4. Then 3x minus 8x is negative 5x. 24 minus 4 is 20. And then divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5, cancel negative 5. X is equal to negative 4. For number 2, transpose all the terms with variables to the left and the constant to the right. 6x from positive 2x will become negative 2x is equal to 3. Negative 5 will become positive 5. 6x minus 2x is 4x is equal to 8. Then divide both sides by 4. Cancel 4. X is equal to 2. For number 3, cross multiply 9 times 2x minus 4 and then equals 16 times x plus 3. Then apply the distributive property. 9 times 2x, that is 18x. 9 times negative 4, that is negative 36, equals 16 times x is 16x. 16 times 3 is 48. And then transpose the term with variables or with variable to the left and the constant to the right. 18x, this will become negative 16x is equal to 48 plus, because this is negative, 36. And then 18 minus 16 is 2. And then copy x is equal to, this is 84. Then divide both sides by 2. Cancel 2. X is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x is equal to 42. For number 4, simply multiply 5 to 7. Copy 6x plus 5 equals 5 times 7 is 35. Then transpose the constant to the right. Copy 6x. 35 minus 5. 6x is equal to 35 minus 5 is 30. Then divide both sides by 6. Cancel 6. X is equal to 5. For number 5, the first step is find the LCD of 2, 5, 3, and 6. The LCD is 30. And then multiply all the terms by 30. X over 2 times 30 minus 3 over 5 times 30 equals negative 2x over 3 times 30 plus 1 over 6 times 30. And then 30 divided by 2 is 15 times x is 15x. And then minus 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 3 is 18 equals 30 divided by 3 is 10 times negative 2x, that is negative 20x. And then plus 30 divided by 6 is 5 times 1 is 5. And then transpose all the terms with variables to the left and the constant to the right. This is 15x. Negative 20 will become positive 20x is equal to 5 plus 18. Then 15x plus 20, x is 35x is equal to 5 plus 18 is 23. And then divide both sides by 35. Cancel 35. X is equal to 23 over 35.